consulting, you have a digital marketing agency, we have to be honest. And my friend Clifford, expert digital marketer, listen, you're not gonna do like all of this thing manually, okay? Just to give you an example, I asked like ChatGPT for a simple like lead, a thank you page with a lead capture form and with an email opt-in and Google Sheet, okay? So it took I don't know how many days to do. Like this is crazy. Like I had to like do all of these things like by myself. Let me show you the thing I had to do. Okay, so first of all, you have to go like, get your thing set up in Google Sheet with the extension app script. Okay, so that means that you kind of need a bit of code. You kind of need like how to code a bit, because if not, then my friend, you're in for a hard prize. Okay, and it's not gonna be a surprise that you like. So, and the worst thing is that that thing didn't work. Like at first it didn't work at all, so but since me, I have like a background and coding, well, it's not so bad. But for you, if you don't have any background in coding, like it's gonna be a nightmare. So after I spoke with ChatGPT, we finally find like what was the problem. It took me almost like a full day to get the problem, and just to do this, just to show you like what I'm talking about. Let me just show you like what I was referring about, so you can see like how crazy this is. Like, yeah, just to do this, just to do what I'm showing you on the screen. Okay. Like just to generate leads, like just to test. So I had to test, and like it was like so long. Like it's man, like at my age, I'm getting old for this thing. So, but why not like just go simple? Okay, so that's why I want to present to you. Okay, I want to present to you this, guys. See this on every agencies, every coaching people that I work for. Any people who have a serious business that want to generate leads and that want to save time, they always at high level. I was wondering myself, like, why do like all those people have like this agency? Like, but hey, for having used it and with a digital marketing agency, a personal brand like Bobby Blanchard, this is what you need if you're like like some kind of freelancer marketer, somebody like me. A digital marketer, like a digital agency, like a personal brand, a coach, a consultant. Like you need, like you guys really need this thing. You're gonna save like a bunch of money on software. You're gonna save a bunch of money on time. You're gonna save a bunch of money on like chat. Like this thing is like automation, like 101. Okay. And it's not that expensive, I mean, most people that I used it, like, because with the package of $97, you get like unlimited people. So man, we were like, I don't know, 50 people inside of it, and nothing was lagging. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Like $97 one time per month, and then you get like unlimited contact and unlimited users. Okay, so yeah, I mean, go check it out. I'm gonna leave you guys with a link, okay, and the description, so you can go check it out. But honestly, GoHighLevel if you have the budget and you're serious like about like generating lead, especially for lead, lead agencies, like people who are generating leads. Like you need leads, you need to speak with leads, like local businesses, like you need to reach people, like you don't want to lose contacts. Like GoHighLevel is the thing you need. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link around this video or in the description, and I'll see you around. For the time being, like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.